Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got part 4 of my extra video where I'm giving away some polishes and doing a D-stash giveaway situation. So these polishes may or may not have been worn by me. Most of them have been swatched for sure, and they almost all have color dots on the top of them. If you're interested in claiming these as your own and giving them a new home, then what you'll do is you'll leave a comment for me down below letting me know that you're interested. So the way this works is you've got to be a subscriber, you've got to be 18 or have your parents' permission, you've got to live in the United States because I can't ship polishes out of the States right now, and like I said, you just got to leave me a comment. So today's brand is Funky Fingers, and there are 8 of them here. This first one is called Moonstone. This one, I remember I could only use it as a topper. Then we've got some neons here. We've got Limelight and Power Play, Atomic Poppy, and this one's got some shimmer in it. It's neon and shimmer. Oh, stunning. This one's called Glow Stick. Next we have Wild Child, which I love. And then Ghouls Night Out. It's a beautiful pink with some holographic glitter. And then next we have Alex's Lemonade. Now this one does have ugly bottle syndrome, but I have shaken it up a whole bunch. And when you use it, it's a beautiful formula. It doesn't mess with the color at all. So if you're interested in winning this batch from my D-Stash giveaway, just leave me a comment down below and I will be getting in touch with the winner. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.